Happy November 1st, everybody. Just wanted to reach out. We're on Renovation Friday. I think we're on video number like 16 or 17, kind of lost track. But what you're going to see today is a lot of stuff delivered, taking up the garage there, as far as flooring, cabinets, backsplash, tile, you name it. Everything kind of sitting in the garage there for... and then I am going to show pictures of the tear out of the kitchen, all the flooring in that area, the laundry room, new cabinets being hung, some of the appliances being kind of set back in for now, and then also the master bath being torn out and concrete board, medicine cabinet being redone or kind of re-drywalled, so on and so forth. But just wanted to keep everybody posted. Happy Friday. I hope you have a great weekend here, November 1st weekend. If you need anything, Shay Hensley, 513-594-9218. Thank you.